Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Close the sunroof and park the Jeep Grand Cherokee on level ground. Then run a controlled water test for 2 minutes while a helper watches interior areas for dripping. Spray water along the front header, side rails, and rear for the full perimeter to isolate the entry point. Look for wet spots on the headliner, pillars, or footwells, and note which corner or side shows moisture first so you can focus subsequent steps on the exact leak path. Remove the interior trim panels and map the drain tube routes, then insert a 2.5 mm flexible cable to clear clogs and follow with low-pressure compressed air to push debris through the tubes. Clean the sunroof glass and rubber seal with a 50% isopropyl solution and a soft cloth, removing grime and oils that compromise sealing. Inspect the glass-to-frame gap. If any gap is greater than 3.5 mm, adjust the glass align. When seals are cracked or missing, remove the old rubber gasket and replace it with an OEM gasket. Tighten mounting screws to 8 nm and ensure the glass seats uniformly. If the gasket is intact but leaking, apply a continuous bead of automotive-grade silicone sealant along the header joint and press the seal into place, wiping excess immediately. Reinstall trim, run a water test for 3 minutes checking all interior points, and repeat adjustments until there is no moisture detected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.